students, I welcome you again in our social science class. We were doing drainage chapter and today we will continue the same. Hope you all have understood about the drainage system. We have discussed Himalayan river system, in which mainly three river systems are there: Indus river system, Ganga river system and Brahmaputra river system. And then we have discussed about peninsular rivers, in which we have seen Narmada and Tapi, westward flowing rivers who drain in Arabian Sea, and then Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Mahanadi. Apart from these rivers, there are some other water bodies also which have great impact in our social and economic life. And these water bodies are maybe lakes. So today we will discuss about some lakes of India. When we speak about lakes, first of all, the place which came into mind is Kashmir. You all are familiar with the valley of Kashmir and the famous Dal Lake, the houseboats and shikaras, which attract thousands of tourists every year. Similarly, you may have visited some other tourist spot near a lake and enjoyed boating, swimming and other water games. Like Nainital, in the region of Uttarakhand, there are so many tals, in which Nainital, Naukichia Tal, and there are so many water bodies in which we enjoy boating, swimming and water games. Now imagine if Srinagar, Nainital and other tourist places did not have a lake. Would they have been as attractive as they are today? अगर वहाँ पर लेक न हो तो क्या वो उतने ही अट्रैक्टिव होंगे जैसे आज हैं? Those places are known for these lakes. Tourists visit there just to see the picturesque, just to enjoy paddle boating in that lakes. Do you know what are the importance of lakes in making a place attractive to tourists? Apart from attraction for tourists, lakes are also useful to human beings in many ways. Now, first of all, what do you mean by lakes? Lakes are huge water body. Lakes of large extents are called seas, like the Caspian and Dead Sea and Aral Sea. So, lakes are Sometimes lakes are so huge that they are named as sea, like Caspian Sea, Dead Sea and Aral Seas. These seas are actually lakes. India has many lakes. These differ from each other in size and other characteristics. Most lakes are permanent. Some contain water only during the rainy season, like the lakes in the basins of inland drainage of semi-arid region. Some lakes contain water throughout the year. They are permanent lake, and some lakes contain water during the rainy season. There are some lakes which are the result of the action of glaciers and ice sheets, while others have been formed by wind, river, action and human activities. So, formation of lake is done by glaciers and ice sheets, and by the wind, by river actions and human activities also. Meandering river across a floodplain forms cutoffs that later develops into oxbow lakes. In our previous topic, we have discussed oxbow lake. So, a river when flows in floodplain in zigzag manner, it forms some cutoffs and later it develops into oxbow lakes. Spits and bars from lagoons in the coastal areas, that is Chilka Lake, Pulicat Lake and Koleru Lake. Some lakes in coastal area are called lagoon, in which high tidal water gathered and form lakes, and Chilka, Pulicat and Koleru lakes are the example of such kind of lakes. Lakes in the region of inland drainage are sometimes seasonal. For example, the Sambhar Lake in Rajasthan, which is a salt water lake. Its water is used for producing salt. Most of the freshwater lakes are in the Himalayan region. They are of glacial origin. In other words, they formed when glaciers dug out a basin. Means some freshwater lakes are created by glacier activity, which was later filled with snow melt. The Vular Lake in Jammu and Kashmir, in contrast, is the result of tectonic activity. So, some lakes in hilly area, in mountain region, are formed by glaciers activity, and Vular Lake in Kashmir is the result of tectonic activity. It is the largest freshwater lake in India. The Dal Lake, Bhimtal, Nainital, Loktal and Brahmapani are some other important freshwater lakes. Apart from natural lakes, the damming of the rivers for the generation of hydel power has also led to the formation of lakes such as Guru Govind Sagar, Bhakra Nangal Project, Damodar Valley Corporation, Hirakund Dam, etc. Lakes are of great value to human beings. A lake helps to regulate the flow of a river during heavy rains. So, here we are discussing how lakes are valuable for human beings. So, lakes are of great value to human beings. A lake helps to regulate the flow of a river during heavy rains. It prevents flooding, and during the dry season, it helps to maintain an even flow of water. Lakes can also be used for developing hydel power. They moderate the climate of the surroundings, maintain the aquatic ecosystem, enhance natural beauty, help develop tourism, and provide recreation. So these are the benefit of lakes. Now we will discuss the role of rivers in the economy. Rivers have been of fundamental importance throughout the human history. Water from rivers is a basic natural resource essential for various human activities. Therefore, river banks have attracted settlers from ancient time. These settlements have now become big cities. Using river for irrigation, navigation, hydropower generation is of special significance, particularly to a country like India, where agriculture is the major source of livelihood of the majority of its population. Now, river pollution. The growing domestic, municipal, industrial, and agriculture demand for water from rivers naturally affect the quality of water. As a result, more and more water is being drained out of rivers, reducing their volume. On the other hand, a heavy load of untreated sewage and industrial effluents are emptied into the rivers. This affects not only the quality of water but also the self-cleansing capacity of the river. For example, given the adequate stream flow, the Ganga water is able to dilute and assimilate pollution loads within 20 km of large cities. But the increasing urbanization and industrialization do not allow it to happen, and the pollution level of many rivers has been rising. Concern over rising population in our rivers led to the launching of various action plans to clean the rivers. So it is very necessary for us to make our rivers clean just to save humanity. So this is all about our topic, and here we have concluded our chapter. 3. Drainage. Go through your book. If there is any doubt, any question, any query, feel free to ask. Thank you and have a nice day.